Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I am Emma.
Hi, Emma, and welcome back to all of our amazing listeners. I am Alex.
We are so happy to see you today. Do you know why, Alex?
I do, because today is Monday. It is day 6. That means it is the start of week 2 of our 30-day English Confidence Challenge.
Yes. If you are listening today, you came back after the weekend. That is incredible. It means you are very serious about learning English.
We hope you had a wonderful, relaxing weekend. Did you practice your shadowing? We hope you did.
So, Alex, we are starting a brand new week. Week 2 is all about daily life. We're going to learn how to talk about the things we do every single day.
That is very important. Everyone has a daily life. So, what is our topic for day 6?
Today, we are going to start at the very beginning of the day. We are talking about our morning routine.
The morning routine. Routine means the things you do every day in the same order. My morning routine is very different from your morning routine, Emma.
Yes, it is. I am an early bird, and you are a night owl.
Okay, let's begin. The first thing that happens in the morning is you open your eyes.
Yes, we call this waking up. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
But Alex, do you get up at 7:30 a.m.?
Oh, that is a good question. Wake up means you open your eyes. Get up means you leave your bed.
Exactly. I wake up at 6 a.m. and I get up at 6:05 a.m. I get out of my bed very fast.
Not me. I wake up at 7:30 a.m., but I stay in my cozy bed for a while. I usually look at my phone. Then I get up at 8 a.m., or sometimes even 8:15.
Okay, so after you get up, what do? Let's talk about the bathroom.
Yes, I walk to the bathroom. First, I wash my face with warm water. Then, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth too. Listeners, you say, I brush my teeth. It is a very important habit.
Yes, it is. After I brush my teeth, I take a quick shower. I like to take a hot shower in the morning to wake up my body. Do you take a shower in the morning, Emma?
Sometimes. After the bathroom, I go to my bedroom to put on my clothes. In English, we say, I get dressed.
I get dressed. Yes, I get dressed very fast because I am usually late for work.
I take my time, I get dressed, and then I go to the kitchen. My morning routine is very slow and relaxing.
What is the first thing you do in the kitchen?
I open the kitchen window to get some fresh air. Then I drink a big glass of warm lemon water. After that, I make myself a cup of coffee. I can't start my day without it.
Me too. Coffee is the best part of the morning routine. Do you eat breakfast, Emma?
Yeah, I do. Breakfast gives you energy for the day. I eat a healthy bowl of oatmeal with bananas, blueberries, and strawberries.
That sounds very nice. My breakfast is much faster. I put 2 pieces of bread in the toaster. I make toast with butter, I drink my coffee, and I run out the door.
Wow, a very fast morning routine.
Yes, I get my bag, I say goodbye to my dog, Max, and I go to work.
Then I enjoy my coffee. Sometimes I sit in my back garden and enjoy the fresh air and nature. I have a morning yoga class every Tuesday and Thursday, but not today because it's Monday.
Wow, your morning routine sounds so healthy.
Yeah, it's a nice way to start your day.
So, listeners, you have heard two different morning routines, a slow morning and a fast morning.
Yeah, very different routine. You can use these simple verbs to talk about your morning. Wake up, get up, wash my face, brush my teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast.
Yes, use these words to build your own morning story. Now, it is time for our vocabulary highlight. Let's look at two important expressions from today's chat.
The first word is routine. R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Routine.
A routine is something you do regularly, every day in the same way. Your morning routine is everything you do from waking up to leaving your house.
Having a good routine helps you have a good day.
The second expression is get dressed. G-E-T-D-R-E-S-S-E-D. Get dressed.
To get dressed means to put your clothes on for the day. You take off your pajamas and you put on your pants and shirt.
For example, I take a shower and then I get dressed. Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice. Let's practice speaking about the morning.
We will say a simple sentence about a morning routine. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Sentence number 2. I get out of bed.
Sentence number 3. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Sentence number 4. I take a warm shower and get dressed.
Sentence number 5. I make a hot cup of coffee.
Sentence number 6. I eat breakfast in the kitchen.
Amazing job! You are speaking so clearly today.
Yes, your English sounds fantastic. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 6.
We want to know about your morning routine.
Yes, the question is, what time do you wake up? And what do you drink in the morning?
Go to the comments and practice your writing. Tell us about your morning.
You can write, I wake up at, and in the morning I drink. Do you drink coffee, tea, water, orange juice?
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink hot green tea.
And do not forget our special rule. Type Day 6 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes, we want to see you start week 2 strong.
Thank you so much for joining us for Day 6 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
If you liked today's episode, please make sure to subscribe to Daily English Chats.
And please hit the like button. It helps our channel reach more people who want to learn English, just like you.
We will be back tomorrow for Day 7. Have a fantastic day, everyone.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.